What's up, guys? It's me, Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we're going to show you guys how to charge your Juul with just a regular Android micro USB charger. Now, this is very useful if you lost your charger or if you just don't have it anymore, you know. There's the micro USB Android charger. But if you want, I will leave a link down to the video if all you want is just a new Juul regular charger to put this in and you don't want to go through these steps. I will link that down below if you're interested. You can get them off Amazon for like $5. They're very cheap. But I'm just going to show you guys how to MacGyver your own solution if you don't feel like spending the money, or you don't want to spend the money, or you don't have the money. So you're going to need your Juul, obviously, to charge. You're going to need a micro USB cable. You can even use one that's kind of broken because we're going to cut this connector off completely. So that doesn't matter as long as the actual wire works. And you're also going to need some scissors today. Now also I'm going to obviously be using a portable power bank for the power source, but you can just use this in a regular wall plug, obviously. So first thing what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and chop this connector off. And you can cut it off right at the base, but just for the purpose of the video, I should go ahead and shorten this wire a bit. So the part with the micro USB end, you don't need. You need this type with the rectangular USB part and just the extra wiring. So you just completely chopped off the wires, so you should have just a flat connection just like this. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go about a ½ inch down or so, and just with your scissors, you're going to make very small indentations. You're not going to want to cut all the way through, and you're also going to rotate your wire. So you're doing this all around your wire. And then the insulation will start to make something like so. You'll see it can start to come off. So if you can get like a fingernail in there, you can probably just, if you did enough, just pull it off just like so. Then you see you have a red and a black lead. Now, some USB chargers will have more than just a red and a black. They will have other wires, like maybe a white and a green, or a white and a bluish color, something like that. But this one only has two, so that's all we need to worry about. If you have more than these two, all you need is the black and the red wire. You can snip the extra colors away. And then again, as you can see, there is no wire exposed here, so we're going to go ahead and have to strip these smaller wires. Now, these are a little bit more tender and fragile, and they take a little more care in stripping. But all you really need to do is just make a small little snip in it, and you should be able to just peel the insulation off just like so. And do the same to the red wire, just like so. So now what I like to do is just give these each individually a little twist, just to kind of group the wires together a little bit better than they already are. Just like so. And now at this point, you're pretty much all the way done. All we're going to do is go ahead and plug this into our power source. You can use any USB power source you have, obviously, your computer, the wall. Plug it into our power bank here. If I can figure out which way this plug goes in, which was USB-C, but as you can see, and then so these two wires are going to go in the same place that the regular Juul charger charges it, which is the outer two pins on the bottom. So you're going to put one wire on this side and one wire on that side. So here, as you can see, there's the charging light. We're going to touch these to the bottom. And voila. There is our Juul getting charged with a micro USB charger that we hacked and put together ourselves. Hope you guys learned something today. If this video helped you, please smack that like button. It helps me out so much. If you want to see other videos like this or any other kind of videos, please let me know in the comments below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 5,000, and hopefully by the end of this year, we are going to hit 10,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, I'll see you later.